I was a crazy guy in the automotive industry. One part of the industry, they liked me, and the other hated me. This was the people from the development. I studied electronics. I was interested to see what new technology invented in Silicon Valley could we do to the car.
Tout un système électronique permet au conducteur de connaître de multiples renseignements.
No one else at that time was interested in this technology. It was ridiculous. No one understood what is coming in the future.
Porsches have style, pedigree, and speed. For those of us that love and are passionate about Porsche, it doesn't matter which one you own or if you own one at all. In this community, all are welcome. Join us as we delve into the heart of Porsche culture, where every story is as unique as the cars themselves. I'm Buchmann, and this is my Porsche story.
I founded B&B in 1974. The first goal was to earn money, to survive during the oil crisis. We did oil changes, we repaired old cars, we repaired cars with accident. But I decided we shouldn't repair old-fashioned cars, we should do new things. In '75, Porsche came with a turbo. So I asked Porsche, will you bring a turbo Targa to the market? No, it's not possible, they told me. I didn't believe it. I decided we will construct a turbo Targa. We strengthened the chassis, we strengthened the whole body, even the interior. After 6-8 months, I had a Porsche Turbo Targa as strong as a coupe. During that time, Manfred Heiting came as a customer and said, I need a special car never seen before for the Photokina, the world famous photo show, but it has to have the Polaroid colors on it. He gave me just a small box. These are the films of Polaroid. You have to use these colors. That was all. So I started to work on the famous rainbow car for the Photokina show in Cologne. At the Photokina, it was suddenly the star, this rainbow car. The president of Germany came and sat in the car, and the photo went around the press and made the car famous because it was in every newspaper of that day. We had in that year around 24 cover stories. And so a lot of customers wanted to have a similar car from us.
Das ist das Millionengeschäft der Gentleman-Gangster.
We earned a lot of money building turbo Targas, building 911 with turbo fenders. It was amazing. But I was interested to see what the future will bring. I asked people, what's going on in Silicon Valley?
The Apple II, small, inexpensive, simple to use.
The Commodore 64, now in a home family pack.
What is possible to do with these new microprocessors? No one company like Mercedes, Volkswagen, BMW had a system like that. So I decided to develop the first computer system for cars.
Als kleine Denkfabrik haben wir uns das Ziel gesetzt, neue Elektronik möglichst schnell ins Auto umzusetzen.
And so we called it DINFO system, DINFO for Digital Information System.
Dies ist ein Personal Computer fürs Auto, der sämtliche wichtigen Informationen für den Fahrer heraussortiert und zur Anzeige bringt.
You got oil temperature, water temperature, air control for the tires and so on. And we could do it in 1980.
Die Intelligenz packen wir nun alles in diese Platine und können hier jedes beliebige Programm schreiben.
In 1981, we invented park distance control.
If I'm not mistaken, was the first radar sensor the sensor from the Polaroid camera?
Yes. At that time, we were the number one in innovation. Even with stereo systems, with hi-fi systems, all the big companies like Mercedes had small radios. They told me, it's enough to hear the news. But I was a hi-fi fan. I took small boxes from my home and we put it in the doors. And we put this rear compartment for 8 speaker system. We were the first with the pearlescent colors. I worked with a pharmacy company, Merck. They invented the pearlescents.
The colors, luminous, the shimmer of pearls.
What young wives put in their face, we can use it for car colors too. But when they went to Volkswagen, to BMW, to Mercedes, they said, "You are a pharmacy company, we are not interested in your new product." Then they came to me. No one else had it at that time. Then we invented the intelligent steering wheel. Loudness, everything, we could do it all from the steering wheel. And it was a very cheap solution. No one was interested at that time about the different innovations. They told me, this is a toy for millionaires. It took around 10 to 15 years until they started doing it in the industry to the main lines.
Dass es sinnvoller ist, eine Evolution auf diesem Sektor zu machen, als eine Revolution.
My fellow Americans, I wish the entire energy picture were nothing but good news, but that unfortunately isn't so. The economies of our oil states have cooled. Producers large and small have suffered a dramatic loss of income.
In 1986, there was a second oil crisis. 30% of my customers were people from the US. They couldn't come as customers because the dollar was too cheap. Then I lost German private customers, and the people from the development of the industry, they stopped giving me contracts. It was too much to handle for a small company. First, I worked for suppliers for the industry. I had projects for Blaupunkt, I had projects for Pirelli, but I didn't want to be part of the industry like that. I always worked on my own. I wanted to be free. During a speech, this man heard my name and said, "Are you Mr. Buchmann?" Yes, I said. He told me, "I always admired your products, but I couldn't afford one of these cars." He said, "I just sold my company and now I would like to do a new project with you. And so we started the Moonracer project. You need the sun to see a rainbow. The opposite of the sun is the moon at the night. And the moon produces silver shadow colors on the water. KJ told me, do it like you would do it today. The rainbow was when I started BB in early days. And now he wanted to make it more elegant because we all are a little bit older. So we decided to make it more quiet than rainbow colors. It was the start of the new BB. The next step is to work with Buchmann and his company Gelpin. So I can develop the market in the United States. I have a lot of new ideas and I'm already working on that.